5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, these are the natural numbers. Last one is 18, so it's even. Now get cancelled. 1, first one, last one. These also like that. Third, third last. Fourth, fourth last. Fifth, fifth last. Sixth, sixth last. Seventh one, seventh last. Eighth one, eighth last. You will get two numbers. This is 9 plus 10. This value is nothing but 19 by 2. Okay, average we have to take. So this is our median. Median is what? Median is this. That is 9.5 is a median. It's 9.5 is a median. It is the average of 9th and 10th observation. 9th and 10th observation. These are 9th observation. This one is 10th observation. 18 by 2, 9. 9th observation plus 10th observation. Average. Average means we have to add these two numbers with 2. So this is nothing but this. So average value is 9 by 5. So this is the method. You can find the value corresponding to the given on the basis of order even. Tenth example is that find median of first 16 natural numbers. A bit 30, B bit 31, C bit 30.5, 31.5. So the answer will be, it's even. Take point value. Divide by 30, 60 by 2. How much it is? 30. 30 and the next number is 31. 30, 31. 61. 61 by 2 is 61 by 2. That is 61 by 2. Shortcut 30.5. Where is 30.5? So it is a C. So answer is C. Now how short it is? Within second you can solve this question. Just seeing even number, you have to take the middlemost two values. The middlemost two values are 30 and 31. How? 16 numbers are there. So if you get cancelled, so you will get nothing in between them. 30 numbers before 30, after 30, there are 31 to 60 numbers. So you can write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot, 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 30, 31, okay, 32, here 29, and dot, 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 60. If you cancel it, what happened? One goes with this, like that, 29 goes with 32. So you will get only 30 plus 31. These two number, average of these two is called median. Median is nothing but 61 by 2, that is 30.5. Okay. Similarly, you can frame questions like this. If it is 80, 80 is what? 80 is what? If bits are there, A bit 40, B bit 42.5, C bit 41.5, D bit 40.5. Which is your answer? 80 is what? Even. Divide it with 2. So you will get 40. 40 plus 41. Just 40 plus 41 by 2. How much this is? 81 by 2. Nothing but 40.5. 40.5. Where is that? This 40, 42.5, 41. So D is your answer. Similarly, if it is any odd number, okay, if it is any odd number, so we can find like that, shortcuts. So we will do 2 or 3 shortcut questions. Now example 11, find median of first 75 natural numbers. That means the number start from 1 to 75. The n value is what? N value is nothing but 75. 75 is what? Odd. Okay? 75 is what? 1 to 75. If you odd, then one shortcut is there. Median is what? Median is n by n plus 1 by 2th observation. Okay? Now n is what? 75. 75 plus 1 by 2, that is 76 by 2. That 76 by 2 is what? 2 3s are 2 8s are 16. Okay? That is 38. Where is 38? D. A is 37, 36, 37.5. D. D is our answer. So this is a shortcut to find the median of natural numbers. Whenever natural numbers are there, that observation is that value. That value is that observation. So like that we can find. Suppose it is 101. Okay, 101. What you have to do? Just you have to find 101 plus 1 by 2. That is your median. How much? 102 by 2. It's 2 5s are 2 1s are 51 is a median. Okay, like this. This is a shortcut. It saves the time. If it is first 1000 natural numbers, 1000 means it's an even number. If you take 10,001, okay, 10,001, what is that? Odd number. For odd, again median for that question is, how simple it is. Which n value is what? 10,001 plus 1 by 2. That is our median. This is 10,002 by 2. Divided that value. 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0. So this is our median. 5001 is a median for first median of find the median of first 1001 natural numbers. Yeah, there is no need to write 10,001 natural numbers and get cancelled. So that is too lengthy. Just see that number. It is odd or even. If it is even or natural is there, odd or natural is there, follow this rule. You can solve the problems within a second. This is a shortcut. Sometimes this type of question will come. Example 12. Find median of first 12 prime numbers. Okay. Now solution we have to. First we have to write prime numbers. What are prime numbers? So prime numbers are nothing but this. Prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers. 2 is a prime number. Yes. 3 is a prime number. 5 is a next prime number. 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 19. After that 23 is a prime number. And 29 also a prime number. 31 is a prime number. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And after that 37. 37 is also a prime number. Now these are the 12 prime numbers. So whenever prime numbers are there, we have to write first the prime numbers, and simple way we have to cancel it. You will get a bit, maybe some numbers, okay, b bit, c bit, d bit. Now cancel it, okay. 2 with 37, 3 with 31, 5 with 29, 7 with 23, 11 with 19. So again 12 is what? 12 is even. So we will get the two numbers. Maybe your bits will be like this. 17. Okay. Now average of 13 plus 13 and 17 is what? This is median. Now find average. We will give D as none. Okay. Now C is our answer. So calculate 13 plus 17 by 2 is our median. Median. Okay. That is 30. Okay. 30 by 2. That is 15. Somewhere else you will get this value. So C is your bit. Okay. Just you have to write the prime numbers, simply cancel it. It's just a simple one. Prime means we have to write the numbers which are not divisible by any other number. It is divisible by itself only. Itself. 2 divided by itself only. 3 divided by itself. Like that. The numbers which are not comes in any other tables. It comes only its own table. That numbers are called prime numbers. Which are not divisible by any other number except 1 and itself. 1 and itself. 13 is divisible by 13 and 1 only. 17 is also divisible by 17 and only. 19, 23, 29, 31, 37 are all the same prime numbers. So this is also a very important question. Now example 30. Find median of first 20 square of natural numbers. Again solution. You will get bits. I am not writing the bits. Just I am giving solution of this. First 20 square natural numbers. 20 again even. Natural number, whenever natural number is there, we have to take the middlemost values according to even or odd. 20 is what? 20 is even. Whenever even is there, we have to pick two values. Two middle values are what? 10 and 11. The square of 10 is what? 10 square, that is 100. 11 square is what? 121. So median is what? Median is 100 plus 121 by 2, average. So this is nothing but 1, 2, 2. Okay, add it. 1, 2 plus 0, 2, 1 1 2 by 2. So this is nothing but 1, 1, 0.5. Okay, so maybe bits will be like this. First bit 110, second bit may be the correct answer, that 5, C bit 109.5 something, D none. So we have to select our answer, that is B. Okay, so this is a shortcut. What I have done, 20 is even. Whenever even there, by 2 you will get 10th number and 11 is a 11th number, square of that given. So we have to square this 2. 10 square is 100, 11 square is 121. Median of these two number, average of these two number is nothing but median. So according to this we can solve. There is no need to write the procedure. The procedure of this question will be very lengthy. We have to write 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Okay, like that we have to write up to 20 square. Again you have to get cancel this side, that side, this side, that side, and you have to get again these two values. This is a shortcut. Just to take that value, divide by 2, you will get 10th value, and 20 by 2 plus 1th value, that is 11th value. So like this, it is a shortcut. By using this shortcut you can find the answer within a second. Now example 14. Okay, see this. Find median of first 25 cube of natural numbers. Cube of natural numbers. Again, if you want to solve, you can solve this. Take 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, like that up to 25 cubes. cancel it, take the middlemost value of that one method. Second, another shortcut is what? Again we have to see that 25. N is what? 25. Okay, 25 is what? Odd number. Whenever it is odd, what we have to do? We have to, median is nothing but, median is what? N plus 1 by 2th observation. So it is here, substitute 25 plus 1 by 2 OBS. Okay, that is 26. 26 by 2 the observation. This is nothing but 13th observation. The 13th number is what? 13 again. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3. The 13th one is also 13th. 13 cube is what? 13 cube is 13 into 13. Somewhere you will get this 169 square into 13. Okay, multiply it. So you will get somewhere A bit is 169, B bit is as multiply 169 with 13. 3 nines are 27, 2, 18, 20, 0, carry 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5. Okay, 9, 6, 1. So this is nothing but 7, 9, 11. Okay, so B bit 21, 9, 7, or C bit maybe 1, 2, 9, 7, D nothing, none. So B is your answer. So this is also a very shortcut method. Just leave a cube or squares, find the natural number. If cube is there, take the cube of that. If square is there, take the square of that. It is even, take 2 terms. It is odd, take 1 terms. So like that you can find median. This is all the shortcuts for competitive exams. Now example 15. See, question will be like that. Find median of x, x by 2, x by 4, x by 5, x by 3 and x by 6 and x by 7 solution. Now see that. Here no values are there. X value is there. If we don't know what value of x is there, so whenever we will get this type of question, we have to see the denominators. If larger the denominator, the whole fraction will give the smallest value. So which number is larger? Here nothing, no number is there. That means it is a divided by 1, x by 1. X is nothing but x by 1. So x by 1, x by 2, x by 3, x by 4, x by 3, x by 5, x by 3, x by 6 and x by 7. These are the values. So we have to arrange it. Okay, arranging in ascending or descending. Ascending order. Okay, ascending order. We have to ascending or increasing order, you can say that. So the least value, the highest numerator is the least value of that fraction. So x by 7 is the least value. X by 7, x by 6, x by 5, x by 4, x by 3, x by 2, x. This is the highest value. X by 1 is x, so x is the highest value. X by 7 is the least value. So the highest denominator gives the least fraction. The next second highest denominator, second highest fraction. Like that, 1 is a least denominator, highest the fraction. So this fraction will be the larger number, smallest number. So now we can cut it. First one, last one, second, third. Again you will get the middlemost single value. So median is what? Median is x by 4. So just we have to find arrange the fractions according to their ascending or descending order. The logic is that which the highest denominator gives the least fractional value. The whole value is least 1. So 7 is the highest number in denominator. X by 7 is the least value. X by 1 is the smallest value. X by 1 is the fraction is the largest in the given data. According to that we can arrange and find the median. Here 7 numbers are there, so we will get the middlemost single value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 numbers are there. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 1 by 2th term. 7 plus 1 by 2th term. That is 4th. 4th term is the first, second, third, fourth. 4th value is our median. So like this we can find the unknown fractions also. Now one more example, example 16. The median of 10 observation is x. If each observation is multiplied by 4, then the new median is a bit x equal to 4, b bit x minus 4, c bit x by 4, d 4x. Now see that median of 10 observation is given, that is x. Okay. Take 10 observation. Suppose we are taking x2, x3, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8, x9, x10. Okay. Whatever is there. Suppose these are the 10 observations. Median is, you will get one value. That value is called x. Okay, that value is x. If each number is multiplied by 4, each number, this x is multiplied by x1, similarly x2 is multiplied by 4, x3 is also multiplied by 4, like that. If you are going to multiply with all the terms, the whatever value you get from this side, as a mean is same with 4 times here. So 4 times of that number. Okay. X is our observation. We are multiplying each and every observation with 4. So our median is also 4 times of that given median. Where is that? D. So our solution is D. Similarly, we can consider as same as suppose we are adding, multiplying, adding 5 for each observation. What we have to do? We have to add the number. X plus 5 is our new median. If we are multiplying, we will get same one. If we are adding, we will get same one. If we divide, we will get same one. If we subtract, again we will get same same median for the given number of observation. If we know the median of given observation, just we have to multiplication is there, multiply the median. Addition is there, add the median. Subtraction is there, subtract the value from median. Divide is there, divide the that median with the given number. So this is also a logic. Now we are going to close today's topic. Best of luck. Thank you.